When Dad gets a bloody irritating cough and he won't put his hand over his mouth or wash his hands. Then me pain in the ass of a mother goes and gets one. And all. Of course. Hers. Has to be like 10 times worse, so I have to turn the telly up. Then I get a sodden neighbors banging on the wall to complain. I've got my special answer. I get me coat on and piss off down the pub and let 'em all fucking get on with it. Bastards. I wish. No, frog in your throat cough. Linctus. What the bloody hell was that? Sounded nothing like a bloody frog. I saw Arabella giving frog in your throat cough Linctus to her boyfriend when he arrived with a cough. I am surprised he didn't neck the whole bottle cause he drinks methylated spirits. He'll wonder what's hit him once they're married, cause she's a right bossy madam and bloody stubborn and all, so when any of the family get a cough, I give 'em a spoonful of frog in your throat. It really helps. It has a yummy honey and lemon flavor. It's dead sickly. Actually, like necking half a bag of granulated blur. It's ever so soothing. Well, it would be if you could get the fucking top off the bottle after it's stuck tight, cause some clumsy bugger dribbled it down the outside of the bottle and left a big sticky puddle of residue in the cupboard that elbow grease alone won't shift, and now the cap's stuck fast. You'd have to smash the bottle against a hard surface to get any out now, you know, like Her Madge does when she's naming a ship. Oh, I didn't mean literally do that, did I, you stupid bastard? Oh, for heaven's sake, even the bloody cat's at it now.